Hey, I'm Mohit, and at Lumyst we help you understand any codebase faster with less cognitive load. Lumyst transforms how developers explore complex codebases. Using AI analysis and hierarchical interactive graph visualizations, you'll understand code structure, dependencies, and relationships in minutes instead of hours. So what we have here is a VS Code extension. How it works is you first select the files that you want to run analysis on, and once you do that, it is going to give you two graphs. I've already done it for this open source repository T-Syringe from Microsoft. And the tool gives you two graphs. One is the smart graph view, which is all you need to understand a code base. And the other is full analysis graph, which basically gives you the entire graph of the whole code base. This includes every file, every function, method, class, everything. So now let's focus on the smart graph view. The graph is divided into three levels. The highest one is the most general one. Uh, this this repository has about four of them, and it gives you a general overview of what is going on and what are the major parts of the code base. Then it goes deeper into each one of them. This is the second level of hierarchy, which basically goes deeper into what the higher level node was, and it gives you complete description, what all code nodes it calls, how is it related to other parts of the code bases, and you can navigate to them by clicking these buttons, and you can see how they are connected as well. I'll go back to this, and these code nodes actually link to the code in the code base. So say dependency definition and registration, you can actually see what all code is related to this. And when you left click on this, you can actually see where the code lies in the code base, so you don't have to sit and find where exactly is this. Moreover, what it does is for complex functions, you can also go dive deeper and generate an explanation. It will give you like a high level purpose step by step breakdown how it works, and you can look at the code and understand it as you read through. So this is about it in this graph. There are multiple sections, and you can go look at each section, see, understand how it works together. So soon enough, we'll have an LLM that takes you through the code base so you don't have to manually navigate. And the LLM would be context aware about the project, and it will be very similar to how a senior dev explains a code base to you. So once you go through this graph, you'll have a clear understanding of how the whole thing works. And then you can optionally go to this code base where you want to actually see how stuff is linked together. You can basically see what functions does this method call, what other methods or functions are calling this. You can also see object-oriented programming nodes. Basically, the red ones here are the classes, orange ones are the methods, green ones are the files, and purple ones are the folders. You can move the nodes around and see how it all fits together. So we are right now in beta and we are adding features every day. You can sign up for the beta program by going to the link given below in the description of this video, and we'll send you an email invite. It is totally free. You can run unlimited runs on as many repositories as you want. We currently only support analysis up to 15K lines of code. So if you have a bigger code base, you'll have to go through it separately. And that's about it. Thank you very much for taking interest.